Chapter 2 Roman Numbers Learning Objective. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to write Roman numbers up to 1000. Know the multiplication, addition and subtraction rules for writing Roman numbers. Warm up. Priyanka's teacher has given him the task of completing the following table. He has filled some missing numbers but could not complete the table. Help him complete the entire code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Teachers, note, assist students in filling the missing numbers. Further, inform them not to forget the Roman numerals have no zeros. As we know, there are 7 distinct symbols used by Romans to form Roman numbers. These are given below. Roman symbols: value I 1, V 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, M 1000. In the class 4th, we have studied about Roman numbers up to 100. Now, in this class, we shall extend our learning. Writing Roman numbers for Hindu-Arabic numbers. Hindu-Arabic numerals, Roman numerals 1, 5, 10, 20, 30, 45, 50, 60, 90, 450, 500, 559, 600, 740. 100, 101, 105, 110, 150, 180, 200, 248, 400, 900, 1009, 1200, 1450, 3000. Facts to know. While the 4th Roman numeral is written as IV, most clocks in the world have it I instead of IV. Among the most famous clocks which depicted 4 as I is the clock tower of the Washington's Old Post Office. Rules for writing Roman numbers. 1. Multiplication rule. Repetition of Roman numbers means addition. Remember, 1. Only symbols I, X, C and M can be repeated. 2. Symbols V, L and T cannot be repeated. 3. No symbol is repeated more than 3 times. Examples: 2 is equal to 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 3 is equal to 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 20 is equal to 10 into 2 is equal to 20. 30 is equal to 10 into 3 is equal to 30. 200 is equal to 100 into 2 is equal to 200. 300 is equal to 100 into 3 is equal to 300. 2000 is equal to 1000 into 2 is equal to 2000. 3000 is equal to 1000 into 3 is equal to 3000. 2. Addition rule. When a smaller number is written to the right of a larger number, then the smaller number is added to the larger number. Examples: 12 is equal to 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 12. 16 is equal to 10 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 16. 108 is equal to 100 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 108. 120 is equal to 100 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 120. 520 is equal to 500 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 520. 761 is equal to 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 1 is equal to 761. 1673 is equal to 1000 plus 500 plus 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1673. 1600 is equal to 1000 plus 500 plus 100 is equal to 1600. 3. Subtraction rule. When a smaller number is written to the left of a larger number, then the smaller number is subtracted from the larger one. Quick tip. 1. Symbols V, L and T are never subtracted. 2. Symbol I can only once subtracted from V and X. 3. Symbol X can only once subtracted from L and C. 4. Symbol C can only once subtracted from D and M. Examples. 4 is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 9 is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 40 is equal to 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. 90 is equal to 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. 400 is equal to 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. 900 is equal to 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900. Solved examples. Example 1. Multiply the following. 1. VI into V. 2. II into IV. 3. VII into X. 4. XII into V. 5. XX into C. Solution. 1. VI into V. Hindu Arabic numeral of VI is equal to 6. Hindu Arabic numeral of V is equal to 5. So, VI into V is equal to 6 into 5 is equal to 30. 2. II into IV. Hindu Arabic numeral of II is equal to 2. Hindu Arabic numeral of IV is equal to 4. So, II into IV is equal to 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 3. VII into X. Hindu Arabic numeral of VII is equal to 8. Hindu Arabic numeral of X is equal to 10. So, VII into X is equal to 8 into 10 is equal to 80. 4. XII into V. Hindu Arabic numeral of XII is equal to 12. Hindu Arabic numeral of V is equal to 5. So, XII into V is equal to 12 into 5 is equal to 60. 5. XX into C. Hindu Arabic numeral of XX is equal to 20. Hindu Arabic numeral of C is equal to 100. So, XX into C is equal to 20 into 100 is equal to 2000. Exercise 2.1. 1. Write the Roman numbers for the following numerals. A. 82. B. 121. C. 645. D. 426. E. 580. F. 269. G. 1302. H. 2076. I. 1045. J. 1500. K. 1872. L. 2242. M. 1400. N. 3000. O. 488. Answer. Do it yourself. 2. Write the Hindu Arabic numbers for the following Roman numbers. Answer. A. 36. B. 46. C. 98. D. 700. E. 1111. F. 610. G. 449. H. 320. I. 3200. J. 555. K. 69. L. 2300. M. 1400. N. 300. O. 1010. 3. Which of the following are meaningless? A. IIC. B. CXL. C. DVLB. E. CCC. E. MMVVII. F. MCDIV. Answer. A. IIC. B. CXL. E. MMVVII. 4. Compare greater, less than, is equal to the following Roman numbers. A. XCIV is less than XCVI. B. CXL is less than CLX. C. DC is greater than CD. D. MCC is greater than CML. E. CCXX is greater than CXX. F. MC is greater than CD. 5. Multiply the following. A. VII into X. B. IX into II. C. XXI into III. D. XIX into V. E. XX into II. F. XV into D. G. XXII into IX. H. CC into XII. I. XIX into XVI. J. LX into XL. Think wisely. Correct this Roman number sentence in two ways. A. By moving one stick. B. By removing one stick. Mental math. 1. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. A. No Roman symbol is repeated more than 3 times. Answer: true. B. The symbol V is always subtracted. Answer: F. C. 900 can also be written as CM. Answer: true. D. C can be repeated at most 3 times. Answer: false. E. The Roman symbol for 500 is M. Answer: false. Maths lab activity. Materials required: a blank bingo card and a color pencil. Steps: 1. Each student take out bingo card. 2. Teachers ask the student to write 25 Roman numbers from 1 to 40 on the card. 3. Students can write Roman numeral of their own choice. 4. The teacher reads out any 25 numbers in a random order with uniform interval. 5. The student then try to look for the number on their bingo card. If they find it, they cross off that square. 6. The student with maximum number of cross square is the winner.